Hi guys, hi YouTube, it's NZF777 here today with another model plane review. As you can see, it's an Air New Zealand Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner in the standard livery. I received this model in October last year and bought it off eBay. Was very excited to receive this model as it's my national airline, and it is my second favourite aircraft after the 300ER 777. Go to the box first up, and we have the Boeing 787-9 titles. We've got the aircraft itself. You know, the livery on the Dash 9 Dreamliner. Just something about it just looks perfect. Yeah, we got the picture of the aircraft. We've got the Air New Zealand logo. Mind you, the lines that go out of the Koru logo, that there, they are shorter than normal, because Phoenix have put that logo as the one on there. But you know, just me being picky about things, eh? But the registration for this model is ZK-NZF. That's Zulu Kilo Dash November Zulu Foxtrot. And there's the fern that's on the aircraft. I'll explain what that fern is later on. It's the 1 to 400 scale Platinum series from Phoenix. Yeah, as we go to the side, we've got the remaining of the fern, the Air New Zealand logo, and the registration ZK-NZF, and the Phoenix logo going around. Sorry, we've got the Phoenix logo and some warning information. Air New Zealand logo again, registration, Phoenix logo, and on this side the Phoenix logo, and also scan down the aircraft and the 787-9 Boeing titles. Go to the back. It's on all Phoenix boxes they put limited edition, so no surprising it's limited edition. We've got the Air New Zealand logo again, nice New Zealand titles, Heart of Aviation, item number 11012, the Boeing official license product, the license information for the 787 and Boeing, and some of the logos. I do quite like the Phoenix boxes more than the Gemini boxes. The Phoenix boxes seem to be a bit more creative, and they just look better with all the designs on them. Yeah, so that's pretty much the box. There's no information inside it. It's not like the Gemini Jets box. Yeah, so I'll end the video here, and then go to the model. Yeah, so here's the model, guys. As you can see, very nice looking model. Some facts before we go into the model itself. The registration ZK-NZF means it was the second Dreamliner that Air New Zealand received after the all black livery. It is one of 4 in the New Zealand fleet as of now. Next Thursday, in New Zealand are meant to be actually receiving their 5th registration for that, ZK-NZC. So next Thursday, the 27th of August, in New Zealand will receive their 5th. This aircraft, on the other hand, was delivered on September the 27th last year. The 787s do routes from Auckland to Brisbane, Sydney, Perth, Shanghai, and Tokyo Narita. I bought this model, as I said before, in August of last year, and it entered my collection as the 23rd 1 to 400 scale model. I believe I said that the All Blacks 777 I did in my recent video was the 33rd model. I looked at my list again today and realised I missed a model out, so had to reshuffle the whole list. So yeah, this is the 23rd model, and the All Blacks was the 34th. All Blacks 777, that is. So we go to the model. It might be a bit hard to see. The fingers out of the way. There we've got the nose cone. I just noticed that this model has window wipers. I've just noticed that, and I've had it since October. So there we have the very slick looking cockpit. The cockpit windows, got the Star Alliance logo there. And down there we have the nose wheel with ZF, Zulu Foxtrot, I believe it is, and the nose wheel. We've got the first cabin door. We go down. We got the new revised titles for Air New Zealand. The next cabin door, got the Rolls-Royce engine that Air New Zealand chose for their 787s. Very nice. We've got the wing, very nice looking wing of the 787. The right wingtip at the end here with the red navigation light. There we go. The next cabin door, on top there's a Wi-Fi box. That does actually, as you can see, it does come out. Is it? Yeah, it does come out. Now there's the next cabin door. Go down, and the Fern. Sorry, that's shaking. And this model does have antennas, by the way. There's a couple. There's another one there, and there's a couple underneath the model. There's the Fern. There's the last cabin door. The registration is ZK-NZF. The horizontal stabilizers with that dot you see there, that's to light up the aircraft's tail at night. And there's the black tail with the New Zealand and Coro logo. Yeah, I'll go to the other side of the model now. So yeah, we got the sorry, the light is horrible. I've got the cockpit windows again with the cockpit, the Star Alliance logo, the nose wheel is ZF, first cabin door, New Zealand titles, last cabin door, the second cabin door on the side, I'm sorry, the antenna, the engine for the side, Rolls-Royce, we've got the wing with the red wingtip and the green navigation light on this side, the Wi-Fi box again, and the cabin door, and yes, the fern, and the antennas, registration, ZK-NZF, and the tail with the crow and the stabilizers. I'll show you the bottom of the model. Let's focus. Nicely detailed on the bottom. Got the gear doors there. Don't know what that is. Got the engines, bottom of the engines, Rolls-Royce engines. Got the Phoenix logo, the stand hole. That's a beacon, I'm pretty sure. That's a beacon in the middle there. There's no beacon on the top of the model. The landing gear and the fern underneath my thumb. There's the antenna on the bottom and the nice looking APU. And go out. That's very nice from the bottom. And there's the registration on the wing there. I've seen many. My apologies, guys. I accidentally pressed the stop button. Yeah, my opinion for this livery, I strongly prefer the new livery for New Zealand. Over the teal, of the old teal livery. The aircraft and the fleet do suit the new livery more. Yeah, the 787-9 is strongly my second favourite aircraft, but this model I recommend to anyone that collects die-cast 1 to 400 scale models, and also in those who collect 787s or Air New Zealand models, then this is definitely a recommended model from me. So that really comes to the end of the model review video. I hope you enjoyed. The next model review coming up after this one is in a special livery. There's just a clue of what it might be. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later.